Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect for that man in your life, whether it is for their birthday, Father's Day, maybe just a holiday, or just because gift. This is the Big Wood Energy. This was sent over by a company called Happy Nuts. And once you open it up, you're gonna get these three great products. So these are great hygiene kit for the man in your life. So let's go over everything you are gonna get out of this. These are all full-size bottles. So first off, you're gonna get their Happy Nuts body and nut wash. This stuff is actually great because it's pH balanced. It has a nice woodsy kind of smell to it, and it's for all those intimate parts of your body. And of course, you can use it just anywhere if you so desire. It comes in an 8.5 fluid ounce container here. It's very deep hydrating. Like I said, it's pH balanced. So it leaves your skin feeling absolutely great when utilizing it, and it lathers up really, really nicely, and it lasts a long time because a little bit goes a long way. In addition to the body wash, you are going to get a nice deodorant here. This is, once again, a whole body deodorant, not just your underarms, but anywhere basically that you may get some odors. Goes on very, very clean, very easy, no little white streaks or anything like that. Just a typical deodorant is the white part on the top. It is aluminum free and paraben free. It's also vegan friendly if those are important aspects to you. Now, this particular one is a 2.65 ounce, and obviously you just tilt it at the bottom. Now, this deodorant is also very soothing because it has, basically it's made out of several nutrients like shea butter, aloe, coconut, tapioca, and a lot more. The scent is also has that woodsy smell. It's very fresh kind of smelling, but it's not overpowering. So if you don't like overpowering deodorant, this is going to be a nice aspect for you as well. And then finally, you are going to get their comfort cream. This is a lotion that turns into powder. So once again, this is great for areas where you get friction in rubbing. So let's say the inner thighs, if you're into sports or anything like that, and you wanted to keep areas certainly dry and keep that friction down, this is going to be a great little product for you. It's going to come in a 3.4 fluid ounce. Once again, same woodsy smell. All these three complement each other because they all have the same scent to them. Just like the deodorant, this is also going to have aloe, coconut, tapioca, and whatnot, all for the different things as far as hydrating and keeping your skin nice and golden here. It's also aluminum free and paraben free as well. So overall, like you said, if you are looking for basically just to keep yourself nice and clean, whether you want to keep yourself refreshed when out there with a deodorant or just keep that friction away, this makes an absolutely great gift for the man in your life and is totally worth checking out. If there is something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.